What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we had a Fed on today. He brought the volatility like he usually does. We had a chance to take advantage and do our thing. Okay, listen, guys, I got a jam-packed video. We're going to talk all about it, but keep it locked and do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. We had the Fed on today. He came out at 2 p.m. Eastern time, talked about not raising. Then he went ahead to give some commentary at 2:30 Eastern time, and the market did what the market does, guys. It went up and down in both directions. I'm gonna be the first to tell you, although I did a little, I didn't do a lot. I didn't do nearly as good as I thought, as I anticipated. It's just some days your timing is off, some days you missed the plays you were waiting patiently for, and that was your boy on today, guys. So let me know down in the comments below if you were able to do your thing on the day, if you made some money, if you lost some money, if you missed the play like your boy did. And so listen, guys, as I often say, these days brings about volatility, so look forward to the next one. Okay, because if nothing else, you'll have a chance to really see the market move and groove a little bit. Okay, and then check this out, guys. I wanted to highlight for you the fear and greed index. As you can see, we have moved up past 31. Now we're sitting at 32. It simply ticks higher and higher, okay, which often leads to the fact that stocks are about to run. All right, we were at 24. Now we are almost 10 points above that, okay? And the higher we go, the more stocks are going to go up. So again, just keep your eyes on various things in the market that can kind of give you indicators as to what stocks are going to do, okay? Just wanted to point this one out to you guys. Listen, today, guys, we might have gotten all clear. Don't rule out some little small pullbacks, but after Apple's earnings on tomorrow, and now that the market and some positive sentiment has come back in, don't rule out seeing us start making some moves to the upside for the month of November, okay? Again, I want you to wait one more day, at least two and after Apple's earnings. And then if they get a bounce on top of what we did today, okay, you might have the all clear that we're going to have a decent rally into year end. All right, but again, be patient one more day for me, and then put these stocks I got for you on your radar, because these jokers will run. Let's go ahead and dive into it. I quickly wanted to highlight the SPY, guys. Ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 423. This one came way down here from the 416 level in pre-market, and now we're sitting up all the way. We went as high as 423.20 where it closed, okay, and we're currently sitting at 423, 422.91 and after hours. Okay, what a move. Okay, this one was up over 1%, or the equivalent of $4.50 on the day. It's up a little bit. And listen, guys, this might pull back just a temporary, just to kind of retrace. That's a positive thing. And then we want to see this go higher to maybe capture 425. After we clear that level, that opens the door for 430. Be on the lookout for these moves in November. I will be bringing out the chart so you guys can know how to make money off of this, okay? Check this one out. Tesla, I did a video on this yesterday. I brought the charts out to kind of show you guys at support, which was 196. You buy a call, you put your stop loss right underneath, and then you let the rocket ship do what it does, okay? This one is sitting at 207. Major blast off today for Tesla, up over $4.50, sitting at 485, and then up another $1.21 after hours. Check this out, guys. Down here, look at this. What levels did we talk about in yesterday's video? 196, 193 level of support. It came down here, and then, guys, you buy your put, you buy your call here, you put your stop loss right underneath this level, and then you can just let it never came back to even test it. And then you just move your stop loss up as this goes higher in price. This went all the way to 206, and now we're sitting knocking on the door at 208. If we can get above 208 on tomorrow, guys, I want you guys to start looking for 218, 220, okay? That's how powerful of a move we may have. But let the be patient. Let the retest happen. Let it pull back. Look, this is where it's going to pull back to, just so you guys know. The top of a breakout, so 204.80, is a level in a range. This one here, 203. So if we don't go back to the 196 level, 193, 198, those levels are where you can anticipate the pullback to be to. That's called a healthy pullback, meaning we're preparing for takeoff. All right, understand that about how stocks blast off. Money team, you guys already know, man. Major salute. I'm proud. I love each and every one of you guys. Way to do your thing. Amazon, we got in this at 128. We ain't had to do nothing but let the rocket ship go off. This one's up another 2.9% today. And again, guys, knocking on the door. 437 we touched temporarily. I'm gonna be looking to test that level on tomorrow, okay? Amazon, AMD, we got this one, money team, at what was it, 90, 95, 96 maybe. I told you it was playing around with us with earnings. We shouldn't even had it, no friction at all, and it did what it's supposed to do. And we're sitting up here at 108. That's a $10 move from where we kind of got in at, okay? Love to see it. Major salute to you guys that are in this play, that have done your thing in this play. This one is up nearly 10% on the day. Check this one out, guys. I've been telling you where your stocks to buy for the month of November and the stocks that are going to run and take off. This is another one. Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. Alphabet class A sitting at 126.44. It was just 122, and I kept pounding the table. Guys, at 122, 124, you want a dollar cost average, because again, this is going to take off, eventually capture 128, 132, en route to 150, okay? Don't miss the ride. And then, guys, check this one out. Meta, ticker symbol META. It's currently sitting at 312.94. It was up over 3.5% on the day, up slightly, a little bit more in after hours. Okay, I told you guys the rocket ship is coming. The news we got from the Fed today, or the lack of news, however you guys want to interpret it, means that could be. That's why I say we got one part of what we need. We need to see Apple's earnings after market close tomorrow, and actually how the stock reacts to the conference call, okay? And then once that is final, once that's past us, and if we do what AMD did, Apple should clear 174. SPY gonna take off, Meta gonna take off, Google gonna take off, and then we'll be off to the races to kind of close out the year, okay? And then it will be started with this month. But Meta did its thing today. Speaking of Apple, this is huge for Apple, guys. Apple was stuck down here, bounced off 169. They had it pinned right here. They wouldn't let it get above this line. Look at this, 170, 61, 170, 60. They kept it here. Look at this, all yesterday, all and after a pre-market, they would not let it get above. But once it bust through, guys, it took off. Bust through, came back, retest 170.94, came back one more time, 171.11, and then boom, blasted off and went as high as 174. Listen, I expect us to try to test 175. That is heavy resistance, so expect rejection there, okay? It just has been a huge run. It just makes sense to see that. But again, don't guess, don't gamble, react to what happens when you get up that high, okay? But major salute to those that's doing their thing in Apple. Might be a possible play to the downside if we hit 175, but be patient. Don't jump in too early. This is a game of patience. Don't jump in ahead of time. Let's see it try to test 175. It might get to 174.96. It might get to 175.30. Watch it at those levels, and if it don't continue higher, be preparing for the pullback, okay? It's a great money making opportunity, and it's a high quality trade idea, okay? And then got Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. sitting at $15.18, and they are up in after hours 1.61%. They came down here from 14 and shot all the way up here to 15.23. We love to see it, guys, but this is why you got to do the work when these stocks are in buy zones. Okay, you have to understand, because when they are there, they're not going to be there for long when they anticipate and taking off. So that's why I even turn it up more during those times, even though when you are new to the game, you might flee during those times. Oh, I'm down, stocks are down. No, you got to change that mindset. Okay, you have to know this is the time I lock in. This is the time I buckle down. This is the time I start to build my wealth. And these are the time periods that I need to be buying. Okay, you start taking advantage of the dips and start looking at them through the proper perspective and the right lens, guys, it changes your life. You don't have to look for something every other day. You will be in the plays that are taking off. And every stock that I gave you guys on today will be looking to run in the month of November, guys. So put them on your watch list, grab some or add to some if you haven't already. Okay, listen, guys, I just wanted to come on here and say major salute to those of you that did your thing today. I couldn't be more proud. FOMC and the Fed meetings and the decisions oftentimes bring about some nice opportunities in the market. I hope you guys were able to take advantage. Let me know down in the comments below, regardless. And listen, we'll be back to it first thing in the morning, because now we only got Apple left. Okay, and it may be Nvidia down the road for earnings, but really Apple is left. So now the charts can be what they are going to be. The levels I'm going to write out for you guys will be spot on as usual, and you guys should do nothing but go out and make some money off that intel. Okay, with that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.